This workshop is a real gift because it's really creating a temple space for women to come into more of a sense of erotic autonomy. Hi, my name is Sarah Belzile, and my pronouns are she, her, and I'm really looking forward to facilitating this upcoming Celebrating the Body Erotic workshop for all women, including trans, cis, genderqueer, and non-binary folks who feel a sense of belonging in women's space. One of my favorite things about this particular workshop is that there's often these epiphany moments that happen when each person has these aha moments when they realize they've been giving away their power in some way. So many of us who've been socialized as women tend to feel that our eroticism lives in our partner. One of the huge outcomes, I think, is often that women really get a sense that eroticism lives in you. It doesn't belong to anyone else, it belongs to you. Sometimes it comes through a consent exercise, sometimes it comes through a touch exercise, sometimes it comes from touching oneself in a different way. Through this workshop and through this work in general, we learn how to carry that eroticism, to embody that eroticism, to live that eroticism in our day-to-day lives. Those moments where the clarity really comes through and then watching the person share about it afterwards is just so nourishing for me as a facilitator to be able to witness. It's been life-changing for me. And it's been life-changing for hundreds of women who have been through this work. And I really look forward to sharing it with you and to having you be in the circle with us. Welcome.